Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this quick guide, I will show you how to fix controller or gamepad not working in Inazuma 11 Victory Road.
Fix 1. Check controller connection. Step 1. Make sure your controller gamepad is properly connected to your PC or console. Step 2. If it's wired, unplug and replug it into a different USB port. Step 3. For wireless controllers, ensure it's paired and has enough battery. Step 4. Restart the game after connecting. Fix 2. Update controller drivers. Step 1. Open Device Manager on your PC. Step 2. Find your controller under Human Interface Devices or Game Controllers. Step 3. Right-click Update Driver, search automatically. Step 4. Restart your PC and try the game again. Fix 3. Enable controller support in-game. Step 1. Open Inazuma 11. Victory Road. Step 2. Go to Settings, Controls. Step 3. Ensure controller gamepad option is enabled. Step 4. Reconnect the controller and test it. Fix 4. Configure controller in Steam if using Steam. Step 1. Open Steam Settings, Controller, General Controller Settings. Step 2. Check your controller type e.g. Xbox, PlayStation. Step 3. Enable configuration support and calibrate your controller. Step 4. Relaunch the game.